Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online by typing words. Yes, you heard that right. Just by typing words into a free app, you can get paid over and over. The more time you spend typing, the more money you can make. But remember, this won't replace your full-time job or make you a millionaire. It's just a fun way to earn some extra cash from home. Let's dive into the first of 7 websites. The first one is Atom. Here, people get paid to come up with business name ideas. If your idea gets accepted, you could earn between $200 and $300 for just one word. Check out the winners section to see recent high-paying entries. While Atom is the lowest-paying website on this list, the other sites offer even better rewards. For example, some sites pay you to design logos. You can use free logo makers like logo.com to create logos with the business names they provide. Once your logo is ready, you can submit it and potentially get paid. Keep in mind, not every submission will be accepted, and some sites might charge a small fee to enter contests. Other websites like Naming Force and CrowdSpring also pay for name ideas. You can earn $100 or more for a single word. Another great option is Ibotta. It's a tool that helps people save money and also allows you to earn money by referring friends. Each referral earns you $7, and your friend gets $5 too. Use a tool like Sniply to share your referral link with a call to action in blog articles about saving money. You can promote your Sniply link on free advertising sites like freead.net or Hercules. These platforms let you share your link with thousands of people for free. Another option is Wattpad, where you can share stories and include your referral link. Finally, our online community, Business Friends, offers weekly giveaways. Just leave a comment to enter, and you could win $100 to $200. We also provide free resources and mini courses to help you maximize your earnings. Remember, making money online requires effort and solving problems. The bigger the problem you solve, the more you can earn. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help.